To change program with the SAMBA2 remote, first open the app. The top half of the screen shows which program is currently selected. To change the program, tap on the current program. To adjust the volume, simply move the slider until the desired volume is reached. To adjust the timbre of the sound, click on the menu button in the bottom right. Move the slider between bass and treble until the desired timbre is reached. To check how much battery life remains, navigate to Battery Status and click on Check Battery. The audio processor will then generate beeps to indicate the battery status. This function is only available if you have set up the app with a QR code.